Okay, Wildcats, today we're going to activity 3.2, zeros of polynomial functions. The zeros of a polynomial function can be real, imaginary, or a combination of both. The real zeros of the function may be distinct or can have varying degrees of multiplicity. The table summarizes all combinations of zeros for a linear, quadratic, and cubic function. Linear functions. So no zeros, the graph doesn't cross the x-axis. 1 0, it crosses once. For a quadratic function, 2 real zeros crosses twice. 1 real with multiplicity of 2 touches and turns. 2 imaginary doesn't cross the x-axis. And then for a cubic function, 3 distinct real zeros is 1, 2, 3, crosses 3 times. 1 real multiplicity, it comes up, touches and turns up. 1 real multiplicity of 1, and then 1 real multiplicity of 2, crosses once, goes up, touches and turns. And then 1 real, 2 imaginary. Here's where the 2 imaginary would occur, and here's the 1 real. All right. Go ahead and mark out 1A and B. Let's take a look at the next page. Activity 3.3, sketching a polynomial function. You have composed and decomposed various polynomial functions in this activity. You will sketch a polynomial given key characteristics. 1. Use the coordinate plane to sketch each polynomial function. If the graph is not possible to sketch, explain why. A. Characteristics. Degree 3, which is a cubic, we're good, has an A value less than 0. That means it starts from positive, goes down to negative, and then it has a real max at 3, 0, which is here. All right, let's take a look at the next. Okay, B, characteristics, always increasing. It's always increasing. We have a y-intercept at 0, 5, and an x-intercept at negative 1.7, 0. All right, let's take a look at the next page. C, characteristics, 3 x-intercepts, 1, 2, 3, are relative to max, so at y equals 3, so the max is negative 2, 3, satisfies that. And an A value greater than 0, which verified that graph. All right. D. Characteristics. X-intercept at negative 2, 2, and 5, negative A value, and degree 2. I cannot sketch the graph because if the polynomial is of degree 2, it can have at most 2 x-intercepts. A second degree polynomial cannot have 3 x-intercepts. All right, let's take a look at the next page. All right, the student works 1A, 1B, and 2A. The student works 2B, 2C, and 3. The student works 1, 2, and 3. And then mark out the remainder of the page. And then the student works 3. So mark this out, and then work number 3. All right. Go ahead and finish your notes, start working on the assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.